Hello! Are you hungry? Look like you might be hungry. Today I'm going to show you how I make chicken nugget cake. It's actually really easy to make, so I will show you how. I started to carve nugget shape and then rounding down the edges. I fill the cake with Italian meringue buttercream, then it's time to crumb cook and chill. I've cut the cake in half, a bit smaller than the actual nuggets because we will be covering it with fondant later. Let's crumb cook the nuggets. Crumb coating is to cover the cake with a thin layer of buttercream and smooth it out. Now it's time to roll out my fondant. Now it's time to cover the cake with fondant. So I put it right on top. I used my scraper, went around the nuggets and cut away the excess fondant. Now that the cake is covered, I just take a sculpting tool to add some texture and lines on the top. You have got to be very light-handed. Since the fondant is very thin, you don't want to poke a hole on top of the nugget. The last bit of texture I added to this cake was made by crumbling up some aluminum foil and slightly pressing it on top. Time to paint! So I used ivory, white, yellow and brown gel food color and I diluted it with water. Do you know Mcnugget is the 4th popular items in McDonald's in the United States? What do you guys think about that? I'm so surprised that Mcnugget didn't rank in the top 3. But Mcnugget is one of the most repeat orders, while some customers ordering over 100 times in a year. 100 balls of nuggets equal to 600 pieces of nuggets. But Mcnugget did make it to the top 3 most popular items in McDonald's in Australia. know which one is the cake? Let's cut it. If you like this video, I hope you subscribe to this channel because we post a new video every week.